Welcome to Shinydocs Discovery Search, an enhanced search for your entire organization. Discovery Search is a web application with a familiar interface for permission-based searches of data. It utilizes an index generated by the Shinydocs Analytics engine, resulting in enhanced search capabilities. It provides a preview pane of the selected search result. One of the most significant values of Discovery Search is that it can be made available to as many users within your organization as you choose. It takes enhanced search capabilities and puts them into the hands of the entire organization. Discovery Search is permission-based, so it will only return search results that the user has inherent permissions to access. Not only can users still perform common keyword searches, like any other search engine, they can now reference fields within the index and perform searches based on very specific criteria. Boolean search modifiers such as and or, for example, can also be used to narrow the search results. As data management creates new fields within the index, such as insights or classifications, the more powerful and accurate the search capabilities become. The more search parameters your users have at their disposal, the narrower and more accurate the search results can be. Here are some examples. So here we are at the Shinydocs Discovery Search homepage. The logo can be customized to represent your own organization, and in the top right corner, it displays the identification of the current user that is logged in. So we can do a keyword search. We're going to search for Shinydocs. And it will return every document that either contains the word Shinydocs in the title or within the body or content of the file. To the right, there's a preview pane showing the contents of the currently selected file, which is our top one. You can toggle through the pages of the document. And it also shows you the last modified date, the extension, and the length of the file. We can do a multiple keyword search. And this will return every file that contains either the word Karen or the word long. By enclosing this in quotations, we are now doing a search by phrase, which will only find documents that contain the word Karen with a space and long. We can use modifiers to further narrow our search. So we're going to look for files that contain the phrase Karen long and the phrase net 60 days. And as you can see, it returned just the one document containing both the word Karen long and net 60 days. We can also use fields within the index to do searches. In this case, we'll look for files by extension of MP3. And as you can see, it returns all files that have an extension of MP3. We can change the extension to PDF, and it will only return PDFs. We can also perform searches using the exact phrase or title of a file. And again, using the modifier, in combination with a field in the index, it now only returns the files that have how to perform a rod analysis, _LD, and an extension of PDF. One of the more valuable ways to search for files is similar to using the Windows date metadata, such as created date, modified date, or access date. Within the index, the equivalents are creation time, UTC, UTC just standing for Universal Time Code, last write time, and last access time. Using the date stamp fields within the index, we can do searches such as creation time, UTC, using the asterisks that will take us as far back in time as possible to the year 2004, December 31st. This is a great way to find files that are quite old and should probably be deleted. We can do a search by the last time a file was accessed. In this instance, we looked for files that the last time they were accessed was April 1st of the year 2020 up till June 30th of 2020. We can also search for files by the last write time. So this will return files that have actually been modified between as far back in time by the asterisks to 2005, February 1st. Once again, we can use modifiers to further narrow our searches. As you can see, this date range search returned PDFs as well as email messages. If we do not want to include email messages, we can use the not modifier, put in the extension of MSG, and any email messages are now removed from the search. As the data management of an organization enhances documents with custom metadata such as classification, you can use this metadata as well to search for files. So we're going to enter classifications.finance.value and a value of invoice. And as you can see, it has returned all the documents that have the metadata classification of invoice. When it comes to security, we're going to search for a file, and we can see that it is returned. That's because I have permissions to view this. Now, it's a Canadian Space Agency document. It might be sensitive, and you might not want all users to have access to it. So we're going to go to the properties of the file and remove all permissions to the file. And if we perform our search again, you can see it no longer brings up that search result because we no longer have permissions to view that file. So Shinydocs Discovery Search is an enhanced search tool that is very secure and can be deployed out to everyone within your organization. Thank you. If you would like to learn more or have any questions, please email info@shinydocs.com.